Transeconomy is a meta software that is it can create many specific multi-site truck optimization programs with the help of a control module with more than 200 parameters for either collecting goods or delivering goods on very large road networks. The software has been refined over the last 20 years while working with many companies, some of them using road networks made of million segments with either a precision of the meter or 1/10 of a meter and optimizing the solution for several thousand clients on them, ready for autonomous trucks. Operations such as network analysis, global tours synthesis and post-optimizations are processed in only a few seconds, as can be seen in the upper right corner of the screen, despite the fact they require heavy calculations on the road network. The strength of this fully integrated software comes from the use of a very fast network structure coupled with the data residing on the device in order to avoid bandwidth lag due to downloading. The backward cartography is just informative and is completely interchangeable. We can either use Google Maps, OpenStreetMap, NASA Map or Here Map. They all will match with the road network and the final optimized solution. The software is composed of two parts. A horizontal direct action toolbar for local optimization, tours manipulations, general help, language choice, etc. Evaluation button. Click on any customer gives its properties. If it is on a tour, you get the properties of the tour. Another line gives the properties of the truck which carries it, and finally you get the total for the present solution. We have the classic manipulation operations to finalize an optimized solution, that is, we can liberate a customer from a tour, or we can insert a free customer to any tour, or permute a customer within a tour or between tours. The local optimization consists of sending free customers or a complete tour to the trash, then build the tour from a given site to the same or another site, and finally effect the optimized tour to the compatible trucks in terms of capacity and autonomy. If by mistake we liberate the customers of a tour or send them to the trash, a undo button rebuild it. It is also important to mention that for customers not exactly on the network, the software attach them automatically to the nearest node with the lowest speed. Instead of going through the substantial menu now, we rather present some useful tools such as locating drivers with their phone number and of course their agreement to be localized. To show the listing of clients on any truck or tour, we first click the button Truck. In the window which appears, we again select a specific truck or tour. Among the various choices, choose Listing Truck Tours or a tour. A final window then shows the tour details. As you can see here, the precision is the millionth of degree, roughly a decimeter, for a fake waste collection over Stanford University campus. Now either print, send a mail or leaves. We can even go further and send a tour SMS to the driver's phone consisting of the ordered sequence of positions and labels using the previous sequence, but now we choose sending a text message to drive the truck or tour. A final window appears for entering the driver phone number. We then click Apply. The truck driver receives this specific SMS made of the tour sequence of positions and names on its smartphone. He then will be guided, much like a GPS, from the first to last milk producer of the tour. No need to go on the field to move a customer, just use satellite view, click next to a customer, then to the new position. The coordinates will change. We can also voice pilot the software by first clicking on menu and then preferences and finally voice piloting. Now let us travel fast.
Panama City,
A very nice place to live.
Rio de Janeiro,
Go for the festival.
son of a beach,
Be polite.
Paris,
Eiffel Tower and the Champs-Élysées.
road path, search stadium,
Stanford Stadium is in the center of the screen.
search Escondido,
Stanford Escondido is in the center of the screen.
Las Vegas,
Sun City.
go back to work,
Rather go surfing.
evaluation, OK, kit,
Finally, we are going to visit the large menu. The initialization sub-menu return to the last saved solution. Long calculation in progress. Wait until the music is over to see the result. Display manages various views. It shows or hides free customers or tours or even complete sites and can present a turn-by-turn picture of the solution, either showing names or numbers for customers. Files manages various saved solutions. Open or delete a customer file. Open or delete a tour file. Save the actual solution. Saves the global parameters settings. Takes screenshots and stops the program. Parameters manages fixed and proportional times for customers, speed values for specific roads, various mileage costs, volumes multipliers for free or tour customers, global optimization settings as you can briefly see. Preferences is there to send specific messages every given time interval. Choose voice control, turn background music on off. Choose background cartography, change the type of customers, choose road map or satellite, choose colors from a palette for chosen tours. Research focus on customers given by number or label. Zoom on city or place. Get the position on clicked point or the nearest street name. Request driver position and go to specific places. Tools is the fundamental part for the software which we already exercised. You can empty tours belonging to active sites, move the central site to a given active site, do the interdistances calculations, perform the various optimizations and post-optimizations, draw path on the map, and also reveal the local road network. Finally, change tools acts on customers and sites to move them as we already saw. It can also delete or add them or change their properties. It can also globally relocate the customers with a master file containing the couple's customer number versus geographic location. Finally, the robot button when clicked scans a specific area and collects the PNG maps, which is very useful when there is no network connection and can also provide a similar cartography background for other systems as we can see here with the following 4 gradual zooms for the Windows version.